So here I am in the beautiful, where are we?
We're on the Flint River.
Okay, the beautiful Flint River with Wil Hufton from Johnny Panther Quest Tours, and we're going to go on a boat ride. And I just wanted to ask Wil a few questions, get your expert opinion. You've been doing this for a long time, right?
Yeah, this is my 25th year doing it professionally.
Great, great. And exactly what is it that you do?
I take people on adventure trips.
Okay.
Eco tours in Michigan, primarily through the Shiawassee Flats, which is near Saginaw. But my job, or what I do, is I show people primarily the good side of Saginaw and Flint by boat.
Great. And I know you've made a lot of observations over the years, and our whole thing is we're interested in saving the planet. So I was wondering, is there any like advice, or what do you see, any trends that you see that we could maybe reverse or change that would be helpful?
Well, I don't think you have enough battery or memory for me to go on about that.
Okay.
I've seen a lot of changes, a lot for the better over the years. I would hate to see us go backwards with all the new deregulation that is occurring. This is one of my favorite places. There's a little trickle of a creek that comes down through this valley, and it's crystal clear compared to the water it flows into. A wetland, a marsh, a swamp is like the kidneys of our waterways. And when we fill in our kidneys, our marshes, our wetlands, our swamps, we take away the capacity to clean our water. So this is a brilliant example of how our water starts out clear and eventually gets really muddy like what's behind us. The Flint River is actually a very healthy river. It used to be a blue ribbon trout stream on par with the Sable. It had a downward spiral for many years when the industry moved in, but it's actually improved immensely in the last 20 years.
Because the industry moved out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
The industry went away.
Yeah.
And so we're on a stretch here that is absolutely beautiful above Flint, and it's quite beautiful as well. The water quality doesn't change a whole lot after Flint anymore like it used to. There's parts of the Flint River and Flint where it's all just concrete walls, like a big concrete ditch. So the things that we can do right off the top of my head: quit using fertilizer on our lawns, quit using weed killers. More fertilizer and pesticides go in our waterways every year from people's residential lawns that all the farms combine. So if it's green, let it grow. It's probably habitat for butterflies or whatever. You know, I just let it grow, and mow is the least often I have to.
Yep.
But that's the one thing right off the bat that we can all do to make a difference, is quit using fertilizer on our lawns and pesticides in our yards.
And then what if we just done away with our yards altogether? I mean, you know, just let the wildlife take over.
Well, we can't do it point, but the city of Flint would frown on that as any municipality would. You know, like if you go to Arizona and Florida, their yards are made out of stone because they can't get grass to grow. Mm-hmm. I mean, I like a little bit of a yard, and even in the old days, you wanted a, for lack of a better word, kill zone around your property.
Well, I always thought I'd just get a goat.
Yeah,
just a goat would be good.
Yep, a goat or a sheep. That's what my dad always wanted to do, is get a couple of sheep or goats and let them mow the lawn, just moving their chain, you know. Mm-hmm. But that's one way to do it. You know, then you've got a pet or dinner with it.
Okay, so anything else you wanted to say over here?
You know,
any problems you see? Are there any? You were talking about regulation.
Well,
you think that there is some problems with deregulation? Are you afraid of that?
Yeah, to a point. I mean, we'll see how far they get with it. A lot of it's been ruled unconstitutional, or the courts have reversed those decisions. But the biggest thing that I see where I operate is invasive species, whether it's phragmites or weeds that grow in the water, or even mute swans that are an invasive species that push out the good swans. Mm-hmm. So I see a lot of invasives. The biggest pollutant I see anymore is suspended solids, which is a nice way to say poop. A lot of our municipalities and infrastructure is over 100 years old. So when it rains real hard, all the poop goes into our ditches and rivers.
Oh man, E. coli city.
In my life. I could relay stories about that. It's growing up in Saginaw. Years ago, Saginaw got sued by Bay City because every time it rained real hard, all the poop went in the water from Saginaw. So they installed 3 huge wastewater retention basins to stop that or help eliminate that from happening. It doesn't always work, but it happens. It works most of the time. But most of the municipalities upriver from Saginaw don't have those measures in place. And I've actually seen a brown scab around my boat.
Oh my God.
Heavy rains from all the
Oh my
solids.
Okay. That is so gross.
Yeah, that's pretty nasty.
Oh man. Okay, well anyway, is there anything else that we should talk about here? Or
You know, I don't.
we can talk again farther down the river?
Yeah, something might come to mind.
Okay, thanks.
Yep.